What? Mom and Dad, we're leaving. I think we're going on a date. Ooh, let's get closer. Yeah, great idea.
You're late, am I? I get it.
Bye, kids.
And this
Bye.
is your pretty cheap.
What should we do? Let's go to LA.
Can't buy the sky
Ooh,
first.
wait. How about we look into the eyes of your daughter for a while?
I'm
Yeah.
a bad guy to you because I'm trying to protect our country.
What?
Our American culture.
We just decided to stare into the eyes of you for a while.
I'll just build her a
Okay.
rocket. It was a second payload.
Okay, now I'm getting bored.
And you almost got a plan.
That wasn't even a
You're
lot.
about to become the single
Right?
biggest joke in the history of aerodynamic flight. Not like this, Pally. Your life is going to become very,
What should we do next? Go to LA? We just did that! We just said that. Let's save it for later.
Say what he has to say. You sit there.
Meanwhile,
Happy New Year's, General.
ooh, I know, let's play hide and seek. Ooh, can I join? Sure. Found you. It's the dumbest place. This is a good place. No, she'll never find me. Oh, you found me. Yeah, I saw you.
How does it feel to set back our footprint in the Pacific by You cost us our pride.
A few minutes later,
A new space command center. All jobs in Carson.
a little bit of seconds later.
Why did it all go bad? The cool guy here.
All right, we're back.
Pride and guilt fest. Lost Brave Angel. You did that.
Girls. Oh, hi.
And you are going to testify.
What?
It will not go well.
Ma. I just get too, sweetheart.
Some trailer park honey falls in love with you on C-SPAN, and you find you to visit with her every other month, always in the presence of a chaperone named Tex. Good time.
Hi, almost grandpa.
Go to bed.
Hi.
General,
Now,
there was a
we
weapon
haven't
device set
been
to
together
break
for
Angel's
that
back.
long, but
You think you saw weapons? Let me tell you what you saw. You saw a complex, philanthropic, telecommunications satellite code venture between
Cobalt.
Google One
will you marry me? Oh my God. Yes.
in the Pacific Rim. Now teenagers
At the wedding that was literally a few seconds later.
because of him. Nobody tells me anything. I didn't know that. Shut up! Keep flexing your crazy fingers. I told you he would be a disaster.
Now,
One more thing.
do you take Cobalt to be your wife?
We've got 6.5 years invested.
Or spouse?
He's part of
I
Hillary
do.
Clinton's Star Guard. You know what that is?
And Cobalt, do you, yes.
Apparently, when she gets off the plane in
You
the
didn't
wild,
let
she
me
likes to see
finish.
Alice and Stanley.
I'm just
She
really
likes to
excited.
And
Now,
so are we.
by the
Oh.
all the power invested in me, by the state of Beanie Boos and Candy Claus compilations or JCJSB Davis, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Ew, but yay, he's our dad. Oh, we have a grandpa! Get out of here. Alright, I'll go back in the back. Anyways, guys, that was this 5-minute video, almost 5 minute. Now 5 minute Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to share us to your friends and click on the bell, change it to all so you never miss one of my videos. Bye.